Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at some basic SMS functionalities that is supposed to help you create a template that you can use to send specific SMS messages to your customers. Now, these are some of the various functionalities, okay, that we can find, okay, on our bulk SMS management and setup page, okay. And in this particular video, we will specifically be looking at customers in debt SMS reminder into bracket automatic functionality. So let's click on that and see what that is about. Okay, so let's read what we have here. It says that automatic SMS reminders will be sent to customers whose payment due dates have elapsed. SMS alerts will be automatically sent on your behalf at the times you choose. This removes the manual effort of doing it yourself and frees up your time and mind to focus on other things. Okay, so basically, this is an automatic way to send, SMS reminders to customers whose, payments are due. Okay, so in order to be able to do that, you actually have to activate, okay, this particular functionality. Mind you, if you do not activate this functionality, it will not work. So you activate the functionality and then you come to the message that you want to send to your customer. Okay, so then there's something that we have to note, okay, in drafting the message. There are these symbols that we have to take note. So let's read what it here. It says this percentage symbol will be automatically replaced by the name of your business. This hashtag symbol will be automatically replaced with the name of the customer, and then the asterisk symbol over here will be automatically replaced with the amount you owed. So when you are drafting a message, you have to make use of these symbols. And then, like, it says that if you decide to use the percentage symbol, okay, that symbol will be replaced, okay, with the name of the business. Okay, if you decide to use the hashtag, it will be replaced with the name of the customer. And if you decide to use the asterisk, okay, it will be replaced with the amount owed. So we have a sample that you can see. So from percentage, this is a percentage symbol. So from this symbol will be replaced with the name. Okay, when the message is sent to your customer, what they will see is not this particular symbol. What they will see is the name of your business. So from percentage symbol, hi hashtag. So hi, that's the person's the customer's name, or the person that you are sending the message to. His name will be replaced with the hashtag represents the name, okay, of the customer that you are sending the message to. So if we continue, a friendly reminder that there's an amount of asterisk. So this asterisk here, okay, represents the amount the person owes. So then so then there is an amount of asterisk due for payment to us. You can pay this sum via, okay, so then now you can, in your message, you want to also state how you want the client to make the payment. You want the client to pay via cash or via credit card or via mobile money. You can state all that as well. Okay, so like I said, if you are drafting a message, you have to make use of the symbols. For automatic SMS functionalities, okay, it's going to take the information from, okay, what you have stored in your database. Okay, so the customer names, okay, is going to be taken from the names of customers that you have saved in your database. Okay, so we have a whole video on how to add customers to your database, so you can check all that out. Okay, so the system will pick their name, okay, and then the asterisk here, okay, will pick the amounts that they owe. Now this amount, okay, is as a result of using the new transaction feature. Now the new transaction feature, which is over here, okay, we have a whole video on how to sell on credit. So basically, when a customer comes to you and they are going to buy items from you on credit, you make that sale with the new transaction feature. Now inside the new transaction feature, there's a button called sell on credit. So when you click on sell on credit to finalize the transaction, that particular data is stored at a place called customers in debt. Okay, now the customers in debt, okay, has the name of your customers, and then the amounts they owe you, the amounts that they have paid, and all those information. Okay, so now when you're getting ready to send a message automatically, okay, one of the things that it will do is it is going to use, okay, so let me just show you. So we click on main menu, click on customers and loyalty, okay, and then we click on customers in debt. Okay, now this is the list of our customers in debt. Okay, now if we use the SMS functionality that is going to send messages to our customers who are in debt, okay, the message will be sent, okay, according to the expected payment date. Okay, so for instance, for this particular customer, okay, her expected payment date is on the 9th of July. Okay, so based on your conversation or negotiation with that particular customer, if it's changed, okay, you can enter the new date. So let's say the new date becomes 15th 15th of July. Okay, you save selected dates. Okay, okay, so it tells us that it's been saved. So we realize that it is updated here. Now, when the system is getting ready to send all the reminders automatically, it's going to send them, okay, using the expected payment date. Okay, so now let's go back, okay, to this and activate uh our customers in debt SMS reminder automatic. So you click on the activate, okay. Always remember to click on activate. Now you get your message ready and then you schedule, okay. You can schedule a particular time, okay. So we have two kinds of schedules. You have the every day at a particular time, or every week on a particular day at a particular time. Okay, so you can decide to use any of that. If it's every week, you can select whichever week. Okay, now whatever you select, okay, when those days or weeks are up, okay, and the time is up, it's going to send them a message. Okay, the system Keepsales will send your customers, okay, a message informing them or trying to remind them about payments that they owe you. Okay, so you wouldn't have to carry that burden of sending those messages, okay, manually. Okay, the system automatically, I mean, we have the manual functionality if you want to use a manual functionality, and we also have the automatic functionality, which I'm talking about now, and then that one is supposed to help you, okay, with sending all these messages. Okay, so once that is done, okay, you just click on save changes, okay, and then that is done. Okay, so there's this okay, so we didn't find that here. Okay, so basically I think that is that, okay, for the customers in debts SMS reminder, okay, automatic. Okay, so now the system, okay, once you've activated the automatic, okay, what happens is during the expected dates, okay, that we have set, okay, during the expected days, okay, the system is going to send a reminder, okay, to the client, okay, of the payment due you. Okay, this is a very this is an amazing feature to always remind your customers of delayed payments. Okay, and what an easier way to go about it than to use this particular functionality. Okay, so this is it for customers in debt SMS reminder automatic functionality. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have a lot more of these videos available on our YouTube channel, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. So do have a wonderful time and bye bye.